Thank you so much, Chetan Bharat Learning, for your support.
The faculty is they're really experienced, Chetan sir and all the other faculties.
I had a very good experience with CBL team.
The mock interview was very helpful.
Thank you, CBL.
Thank you so much, CBL.
अच्छा experience है. Thank you.
Come to CBL for your HCS preparation. They have helped me through prelims, mains and now interview.
21 मई को होने वाले हरियाणा HCS के प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम के लिए जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ अब हम कर सकते हैं वो है मैक्सिमम MCQ प्रैक्टिस। आपको अपनी नॉर्मल रिवीजन भी MCQ प्रैक्टिस के थ्रू ही करनी चाहिए। चेतन भारत लर्निंग में हम स्टूडेंट्स को डेली 3 पोर्शंस में MCQ प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे हैं। पहली, करंट अफेयर्स, जिसमें हम डेली MCQs के थ्रू लास्ट 1 ईयर के करंट अफेयर्स कवर कर रहे हैं। दूसरा, स्टैटिक जनरल स्टडीज़, जिसमें हम सभी सब्जेक्ट्स जैसे कि हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, इकोनॉमी, पॉलिटी, एनवायरनमेंट, साइंस एंड टेक, आर्ट एंड कल्चर, हरियाणा जीके, ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को MCQs के थ्रू कवर कर रहे हैं। और तीसरा, डेली CSET MCQ प्रैक्टिस। थ्रू दिस डेली MCQ प्रैक्टिस हम स्टूडेंट्स को मोर देन 6000 MCQ प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे हैं, which should ensure their best result in Haryana HCS prelims exam. This video is part of that initiative only, which is going on in both Hindi medium as well as in English medium. To watch the complete video, enroll now by calling on the number given below or visiting our website www.chetanbharat.com. The link is given in the description as well as in the pinned comment.
Okay, good evening everyone. So we'll be starting with the next topic today. So which of the following is not an alloy? So D is going to be the correct option here, that copper is not an alloy. Next is galvanization. So what is galvanization? Galvanization is a process by which iron pipes have a coating of which of the following zinc. Basically zinc is used for the process of galvanization around the coating. Clear all of you? Galvanized iron is coated with what? It is coated with zinc, Chhattisgarh. Galvanization is a process जिसके थ्रू जो भी metal होता है उसके around हम वो करते हैं so that it can be prevented from rusting. Clear all of you? So next is aluminium sulfate. Aluminium surface is often anodized. Like we have discussed about the process of electrolysis before कि इसके अंदर क्या होता है कि there's an anode, there's a cathode, there's a electric circuit. So what will happen? Aluminium oxide, basically deposition of which layer? Aluminium oxide is deposited on it, and because of this reason it is surfaced. Clear all of you? Mercury metal is what? Mercury metal is basically what? It is a mixture of mercury mixed alloy. Fine. So C is going to be the correct option. Which of the following alloys is called as an amalgam? So mercury and zinc, they form an amalgam. So it is a type of amalgam that we used. Basically what is an amalgam? Mercury is mixed with some other metal. Fine. Solder is used in soldering metal pieces, is an alloy of what? Tin and lead. Fine. Next is bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Fine. So copper and tin are used. So bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Fine. So next question is how are these two, list A and list B, how are they related? German silver is related to what? It is related to nickel. Solder is related to chlorine. Bleaching next is option number C. So your correct option here is going to be option number D, that German silver is related to nickel. Then we have option B, solder is related to tin, bleaching powder is related to chlorine, and hypo solution is related to sodium. Next is how much percentage of silver is found in German silver? So correct option is going to be option number D here. German silver is used for what? It is basically a type of silver, so it is not present in so much large quantities. It is present in a relatively smaller quantity. Fine. Which one of the following elements is not present in German silver?
Hope you enjoyed this session. To watch the full video, enroll now by calling on the number given below or visiting our website www.chetanbharat.com or downloading our learning app Chetan Bharat Learning.